Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today I'm here with a new video. So we will discuss about a job opportunity from Tata Elxi. But before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobker and also like the video and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from Jobker and share it with your friends. So this is about it and now with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So in today's video we're going to talk about Tata Elxi off campus hiring. So first of all, this is a mass hiring, so all the eligible candidates, this is a really good opportunity for you to grab the opportunity to apply for this job and prepare for it and get the job for yourself. So do apply for it if you are eligible and also watch the video till the end. So Tata Elxi off campus recruitment, and this is the registration form, and this is the recruitment for 2021 and 2022 batches. So these two batches, you have a really good opportunity from Tata Elxi, so do apply. Okay, now this is something about Tata Elxi. So they value keen interest and availability to interact and work with Tata Elxi, and this is a registration form for Tata Elxi off campus recruitment to find the best talent with a consistent academic track as well as a desire to work in a core engineering design and technology organization with offices in Bangalore, Trivandrum, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. So if you get selected in this off campus hiring, then you will be working at one of these locations that are Bangalore, Trivandrum, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. Okay, now those who qualify will be invited to take a 120-minute online proctored test that in that they will be asking verbal, analytical and coding MCQs and coding. Okay, so basically verbal ability, analytical ability, and there will be some coding MCQs and coding questions. Okay, now which we will be informing you well in advance. So basically when you register for this off campus hiring, first they will evaluate whether you are eligible for this opportunity or not. If you are eligible, then you need to take a proctored assessment. So do not cheat in the proctored assessment because in that you will be noticed through the webcam. So at the time of assessment your webcam will be on, and if you do any fraudulent activity or if you cheat in the exam, then you will be disqualified. So do not perform these type of practices and prepare well so that you can qualify the job for by your own. Okay, now uh, for this assessment they will send you an email and inform you in advance so that you will be available at the time of assessment. Now you will be notified well in advance about the test and interviews, and please do check your junk box for mail from admin.metal@mercer.com. Okay, so बेसिकली आपका जो टेस्ट का प्लेटफॉर्म है दैट विल बी मेटल. सो आपको इस मेल आईडी से मेल आएगा फॉर द असेसमेंट. तो अगर आपको असेसमेंट का मेल नहीं आ रहा है आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन, देन यू कैन चेक योर जंक बॉक्स टू. Okay, now please add this email to save mail in your mail setting so that mail comes to your inbox. So just do this. Now if I talk about eligibility criteria, so year of passing from 2021 and 2022 batches is students only, so these two batches are eligible. If I talk about education, so only BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MS, MCA and MSc, these degrees are eligible with more than a 1 year gap in education. So sorry, no more than 1 year gap in education. So if you have any gap in education, then that should not exceeded 1 year. 1 year gap is allowed, other than that you are not eligible. Okay, now minimum of 60% or 6 CGPA aggregate in 10th, 12th and in your graduation or post graduation whatever you have completed must. So you should have 60% or 6 CGPA all over, and if there is any backlogs, need to be cleared and submit the completion certificate within 12 months upon joining. Okay, so agar if you have any backlog right now, then you can apply for this job and you can join the company also, but upon joining within 12 months, that means 1 year, you need to complete your backlogs. Okay, so this is a really good thing about this job, because uh, generally companies don't allow to join if you have any backlog, but they are allowing to join. Okay, now under graduation and post graduation is specialization. So these are the specialization which are eligible for this job, that are computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, instrumentation, information science, and embedded cyber security, data science, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automotive electronics, applied electronics, uh, mechatronics and computer applications, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, medical electronics engineering only need to apply. So these are the specialization. If you are one of them, you can apply for this. Now, mechanical specialization student must be ready to either work in core area or mechanical design, or if you are really strong in embedded C or Java or Python programming capabilities, then we are open to consider for developer role depending on the available opportunity. So if you are one of the mechanical background student, then you should be able, like, you should keep in mind that you will be sent to the core area or mechanical design area, or you should have a C, Java, or Python programming knowledge, so that you will be able to work as developer according to your interest. Okay, now please note, only those who have not taken the Tata Elxi test or the interview process in last 6 months and meet the above eligibility criteria need to apply. If you are already registered here, please do not register again, which gets considered for disqualification. And read the sentence properly and then fill the information. If data is not accurate or wrong, then you might not meet the eligibility criteria, so might be disqualified. So keep in mind these both things. If you have taken any Tata Elxi off campus hiring, or any, if you have taken part in any hiring of Tata Elxi in last 6 months, then you are not eligible, so do not apply. And if you have already applied for this, then do not apply again, because that will lead you to disqualification. And if you have any questions, or if you have any doubt regarding the hiring, or if you have any question that you want to ask, then you can send a mail to campusconnect@tataelxi.co.in, so your question will be resolved. Now, this is the registration form, so you need to fill this registration form to apply for the off campus hiring. I will provide this link in the description box, so you need to go to the link and fill this registration form. You should give your year of passing, whether it is 2021 or 2022, your current college or institute name, then your state, then your full name, your contact number, your email ID, your gender, date of birth, and 10th percentage, 12th percentage, and diploma or degree percentage, then highest qualification, whether it is post graduation or just graduation. Okay, then you need to submit here. They're not asking for any resume or anything else, maybe they ask later, so they need to submit. And after that, for further communication, you need to check your mailbox with the registered email ID. They will send you an email for further process. Now, this is all for today's job update. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker, so that you get updates in future job opportunities. And also please share the video with your friends and family, and like the video, share to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.